On our bird watching trips, we often notice the presence of a bird from its movements. When it comes to the woodpeckers, we often hear them before seeing them. That is because from a distance, it's hard to spot them from the tree's bark. The speckles on the back of some woodpeckers appear like sunlight shining through leaves on trees' bark, which make it hard to identify the outline of their bodies. Up close, they stand out from the busy background, so beautiful and adorable. It feels really good every time we spot a woodpecker, knowing they are our tiny ecosystem engineers. Whether they are pecking to explore, nest, or forage food, they create cavities that many other birds and even mammals can also use for shelter or nest. Their foraging behavior keeps insects under control. In other words, they are the insecticide minus harmful chemicals to humans. Saprophytic fungi are not pathogenic and pose no harm to living plants, animals, or humans. In this video, we are sharing footages of Nuttall's woodpeckers exploring, foraging for insects, drinking fruits, and sucking sap from trees.
Ơi.
That's so
Why did you do that?
That's so rude.